Guys, let's put the soup. Oh, hey, Quinta. Hey, see Ogbono. Guys, now know how they say Ogbono. Better Ogbono what they say. As you know, when they buy my Ogbono now, my Ogbono they draw. See Ogbono, see. As we put Ogbono like this, guys, see Ogbono. See my Ogbono. We chop this soup, we say, "Hey, banana loba." You get mushroom, get everything. Guys, let's put the spinach. All them now last. Everything last. That's the spinach. This is the okra. Yes, guys, okra, come and eat. Bitter leaf already there inside. Spinach there. Everything done inside. It tastes or it no taste. We will put Maggi. Not too much salt, though, guys. We don't eat too much salt. We will put okra. That soup they boil. You dey see am, you dey feel am. You dey feel the soup. See mushroom they fly for up. You dey feel am. You dey feel our soup, guys. Guys, the mushroom is giving the fish, the everything. You must not eat only meat. Guys, let's put the ogbono. We will put ogbono. Yes, sir. This is our ogbono. I'm not cooking ogbono soup. I'm cooking okra soup. Guys, we don't put our ogbono. This is ogbono. So we'll leave and make it just seem small. Guys, I put bitter leaf. This one is bitter leaf. Next, the bitter. When you chop, I go drink water. Later, then we will put our okra. We'll put spinach. Guys, make it cover and make the ogbono steam. Yes, my wonderful people. Quinta the kitchen. Crayfish they smell. Yes, like waiting they happen. All the okra soup go be only fishy. Guys, let's put our mushroom. You see am. Let's put our mushroom, make it boil. Make our mushroom boil. Yes, sir. Guys, our mushroom they boil. Then while our mushroom they boil, we're going to put our fish and meat. This one is salmon fish. Liver. You see them? Make a taste now. Now our mushroom boil. This one is only mushroom, liver, fish, salmon fish, dry fish, crayfish. So we'll leave and make it boil.